Alright guys, do you guys see this? This is a messy keychain. Look at that. It's all over the place. So what I got Yui is this. I got Yui the Hipiwe leather key case right here. So it's $8. So this is what it looks like when it comes and arrive. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hook. This hook right here, and this is for your car alarm. And then they said this is detachable. Oh, it is detachable, so you can just pop it back in. You can put your card here. Card here. Oh, this is going through. Look at that. And then your card here. Okay guys, so we're gonna put all of Yui's key on this. Alright guys, so this is what the key look like. We didn't use 2-part because we don't have enough key, but yeah, so 4 keys, and then Yui's sanitizer right here. We put it in the top since it's so big you can't even close it. Yeah, and then right here her car key, the light, and the door opener. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna try close it without this inside and this, so we'll see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like when it's fully closed. Like that. See? Your key inside, sanitizer, and all this stuff. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like without the key being inside. That's my review guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is the key case holder leather. I got it from Amazon. Thank you.